Yo, welcome back to the channel everyone. Hope you guys are all doing well. It's Oscar, and today we're going to quickly go over my 2-day trades I did today on SPY. Did my 2-day trades on SPY. Both of them were puts today. One was a 428 put, one was a 427 put. And basically last year, a little background on my options trading. Last year I started options trading, I believe it was May or so on Robinhood. Did the rest of the year on Robinhood, and then the beginning of this year I've strictly done it in my Fidelity account, which is my main account. So obviously I'm not using the full buying power. Currently I have like $100 or so buying power. So basically starting off with a little bit of little amount of money, and I'm gonna hopefully do these every single day to do like a kind of trade recap. I can go back and see what I did wrong, what I did correct, and kind of just help myself improve. So like I said, today we did trade puts. It was obviously a pretty nasty day for SPY, down $9.50, and a pretty big gap down from yesterday's rally after the FOMC meeting, FOMC minutes, which was interesting because it's obviously a gap up to yesterday. It was doing pretty well, came back down, came back up, and then went back down again. Oh no, there was actually a gap down yesterday. So this was on Tuesday. This was yesterday. So gap down yesterday, dropped pretty hard. I did trade yesterday. I think it was a negative day for me yesterday, which wasn't too good. But anyways, FOMC meetings, minutes kind of rallied everything up. But today was a gap down, like I said. And let's go ahead and check this out. So my first trade this morning was at 9:47. So we're gonna have to go here. Let's see, 9:47. So where is this? 9:47. It actually might have been this beginning here. So 6:30. Yeah. So 9:47 would have been here. Jumped in here. I bought two SPY puts, 428 puts for $36 each. Basically held it for the next 10 minutes, which would bring it all the way down to this candle right here, and profited $22 on that trade. So sold those two contracts at 47 apiece, basically at the bottom of this right here. Sure, I could have probably held them longer and held them even down here, but class was starting, so I just kind of wanted to get in a trade, get out, make what I could, and then not have to worry about it for the rest of the day. But then it was 1:40. Let's see. So actually 12:28 p.m. was the next trade that I took. Let's see here. 12:28. Okay, so 12:28 was the next trade I did. Let's see here. So 12:28 here. I kind of saw these candles right here. I kind of looked at the last few little downtrends. There was kind of this up and down, I guess we could say shadow. And then I could see there was a lot more. There was a lower shadow on this candle right here, an upper shadow on this one, made it kind of go down. So I saw the same type of upper shadow happening here. I thought it was just going to keep going down here. Kind of stayed steady and then went up, and then kind of steadily started going down. I went ahead and sold this contract right here at 110, which was this fat red candle right here. Sure, I could have held it down for like a minute more and made a little bit more, but this was a single contract trade. This was the 427 put, filled at $17, closed it at $20, so it was like a $2-3 little profit there. So obviously not huge gains, pretty good gains actually for a small account. It was basically a 20% increase if we're thinking about it in a $100 aspect. $20 profit on the day after commissions. So $20 is basically 20% of the account, which is awesome. So like I said, these are just going to be quick little updates, but obviously they're going to be updates as to what I did correctly, what I did wrong, if it was a green day, if it was a red day. And sometimes I don't usually trade twice in a day, but today I saw the perfect opportunity. And with all the Russia news and all types of stuff like that, I knew the market was going to tank a little bit more. Sure, let's say if I held the contracts that I bought immediately at the beginning of the day, if I held them all the way to the end of the day, could have they made a little bit more money? Sure, but I'm kind of looking for quick scalps on these, something to kind of get in and out, get my mind off the thing unless I really know something's gonna happen, and kind of make my money and go. So kind of similar like I did a video, get in, get up, and get out. Just similarly following that trend. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Nice little quick one. If you guys did, please drop a like. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Share the video with your friends. Comment down below what you thought. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.